Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that today we are discussing about nylon manufacturing. Nylon manufacturing process. A slurry of TiO2 pigments and water used to deluster fibers is added to the nylon salt. Polymerization begins in the reactor where polyhexamethylene edipamide nylon 66 is formed. The nylon polymer is then extruded through spinnerets or pelletized. Next point is how is nylon manufactured? More specifically, nylons are a family of materials called polyamides made from reacting carbon-based chemicals found in coal and petroleum in high pressure heated environment. This chemical reaction, known as condensation, polymerization, forms a large polymer in the form of a sheet of nylon. And next point is what is nylon used for in manufacturing? The most popular use of nylon is plastic fasteners and machine parts. It is often commonly used in the electronics industry, and nylon is used for screws, bolts, washers and nuts and circuit board hardware. It is used to make bearings in the appliance industry due to the excellent abrasion resistance. And next point is what are the raw materials of nylon? Nylon is a synthetic fiber which is generally made of coal, air and water. And next point is what raw materials? What raw material is nylon made from? Nylon fabric is a polymer, which means that is composed from a long chain of carbon-based molecules called monomers. There are quite a few different types of nylon, but most of them are derived from polyamide monomers that are extracted from crude oil, which is also known as petroleum. Next point is what is the chemical name for nylon? Polyamide structure. How many types of nylon are there? There are 8 types of nylon. Nylon 6, nylon 6,6, nylon 4,6 and nylon 6,9, nylon 6,10, nylon 6,12, nylon 11 and nylon 12. While nylon 6 and nylon 6,6 are interchangeable in about 60% of nylon resin applications. For the other 20% of applications, the differences between them are important as shown in this table below. And next point is which state of India is famous for nylon? Nylon sev, often also known as bhujia, is very popular snack from Gujarat's famous brand Jain Vijay due to its mouth-watering, spicy, exquisite taste. Next point is what are the 5 types of nylon? This article looks at 5 different types of nylon. Nylon 1,6, 4,6, 5,10 and 6 and 6,6. This article also explains where nylon fabric comes from, the environmental impact of nylon, the quantity of nylon is determined, and the safety of nylon. What are the things made of nylon? For instance, products such as sleeping bags, rope, seat belts in cars, parachuting material, tubing hose, tarpaulin and dental floss may be made of nylon. Nylon is arguably the most versatile material available for applications. Is nylon a fiber or plastic? Nylon, any synthetic plastic material composed of polyamides of high molecular weight and usually but not always manufactured as a fiber. How do you identify a nylon? Next point is how do you identify a nylon? Nylon will give off a white smoke but that has a strong, almost celery-like smell. When the flame is removed from burning nylon, it will typically yellowish. A It typically leave a hard yellowish gray head, gray bead. Next point is what are the three main properties of nylon? Nylon definition, structures, properties, types, uses of nylon. That is, properties of nylon: lustrous, elastic, very strong, damage resistant to oil and many chemicals, resilient. What is the strongest nylon? Nylon 6 is the strongest fire resistant fabric with a denier range of 1000 to 3000. This material can handle very high temperatures. And next point is what are the 10 uses of nylon? Conveyor and seat belts, airbags, parachutes, nets and ropes, thread, tarpaulins, and tennis are a few examples of industrial usage. It is used to manufacture fish nets. It is used as a plastic in the manufacturing of machine parts. Next point is nylon a natural material? Nylon is a synthetic man-made fiber derived from petrochemicals, which is usually extensively throughout the fashion industry. Its first use for the production of toothbrushes in 1938, while the most popular commercial use began in 1940s, as it became the fabric of choice for women's stockings. And next point is what is the temperature range of nylon? Nylons are also known to be resilient and non-marring. You have a high impact resistance, have a continuous operating temperature of about 180 degrees F, and a relatively lightweight that makes it ideal for use in mechanical and electrical hardware to ease maintenance and replacement procedures. And next point is what is nylon weakness? Nylon is not good for exposure to sunlight. Ultraviolet rays can cause nylon fittings to become extremely brittle and fail. There is also a very small number of chemicals that are good to be used with nylon fittings. And next point is what is the structure of nylon? Nylon 6 of 6 is made from two monomers, monomers each of which contain 6 carbon atoms, hence its name. One of its monomers is a 6 carbon acid with C/H group at each and hexadioic acid. The other monomer is a 6 carbon chain with an amino group NH2 at each end. This is 1 to 6 diaminohexane, also known as hexane 1,6-diamine. And next point is what is the polymer of nylon? Nylon is a polyimide polymer characterized by the presence of amide groups in the main polymer chain. A wide variety of nylon polymers are available, but only two have found application in tires: nylon 6,6 and nylon 6. How is nylon prepared? Nylon is made when the appropriate monomers are combined to form a long chain via a condensation polymerization reaction. The monomers for nylon 6,6 are adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine. And next point is what are the ingredients in nylon? Nylon is made from coal, water and oxygen. 3 ingredients combine with a polymer to make 2 chemicals: hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. Each of these chemicals has 6 carbon backbones. And next point is what type of food bond is nylon? Nylon polymers consist of polyethylene segments which are either parallel or anti-parallel. These peptide units provide hydrogen bonding between polymer chains, giving nylon some of its unique properties. And next point is what are the raw materials of nylon production? Nylon is a synthetic fiber which is generally made of coal, air and water. This is the information regarding nylon manufacturing. Wishing you all the best.